Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi at home without seaweed. First, gather your ingredients, including sushi rice, rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Cook 1 cup of sushi rice according to package instructions, then let it cool. While it cools, prepare your seasoning by mixing 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. Gently fold this mixture into your cooled rice. Now, let's talk about creative fillings and wrappers. Choose fresh ingredients such as creamy avocado, crisp cucumber, cooked shrimp, or savory smoked salmon. Make sure to slice all your chosen fillings into thin, uniform strips about 1/4 inch thick for easy rolling. Instead of seaweed, you can use rice paper, thinly sliced cucumber, or even a delicate omelet as your outer wrap. These alternatives offer unique textures and flavors. It's time to assemble your delicious sushi rolls. Place your chosen wrapper, whether it's rice paper or cucumber, on a bamboo mat or a sheet of plastic wrap. Spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned sushi rice over the wrapper, leaving about a 1-inch border at the top. Neatly arrange your prepared fillings in the center of the rice. Now, gently but firmly roll the sushi, applying even pressure to create a tight, compact log. Finally, let's slice and serve your beautiful homemade sushi. Use a very sharp, damp knife to slice your rolls into 1-inch thick pieces. Dampening the blade prevents the rice from sticking, ensuring clean, perfect cuts every time. Arrange your sushi artfully on a platter and serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your delicious, seaweed-free sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.